me introduce you our third generation of automatic hinge assembly machine. This machine consists of two machines. The first machine is for hinge arm, hinge neck, hinge plate assembly with hinge spring, one eye-pin, one adjustable screw, and one tail screw. Then we can get these semi-finished hinges. After that, the semi-finished hinges are being transmitted to the second machine. The second machine is for hinge cap assembly with the hinge clip, hinge pump connection part with hinge U-pin, 3 eye-pin, and the 2 plastic parts. Then we can get the finished hinges. This is our fixed type hinge.